My name is Yesenia Torres, and I'm back with another tutorial on how to teach you guys how to create blogs, posts, and pages, which are two very separate things. So to start that off by telling you that pages are basically a post that you would make to your blog, but you want it to stand on its own. It's not something that you create content that you continuously post on that one page. It's kind of just a standalone page, a one-time post, and it stays on your page, and that's on your blog, and that's it. So let's go on and create our page right here. And these are the pages that I already created, which is for my creative writing blog. So I have my contact information, different tips for creative writing, and where you can find the poetry that you might want to read or look at my chapbook that I've made. And this is the About Me section that I have here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add, and we're going to add a photos page. And here, when you create a page, and even when you do a blog post, you can create a set featured image. So we're going to create a featured image, and let's use this one, which is of a book. And you can click up to more than one image when you're selecting an image to place into your page or into the blog post or into this content area right here where you put the text. So here's the featured image when people would click onto that, and then which we'll see it stylistically. It'll show up in a nice way. But here we're going to put the rest of the photos that I want to publish, which is right here, which is some of my chapbook pictures. So we're going to take those pictures, and when you upload pictures, they are placed in a nice little collage that WordPress creates for you. But here are the different ones, what they look like. This is what individual images look like, which I would not prefer. I would not prefer because it's just like it's just not attractive when you're showing your viewers different photos. Thumbnail grid, I wouldn't suggest unless you would put a URL or a link onto your photos for people to click on, but these are actually too tiny to really show off the photos that you'd probably want to show on your creative writing blog. So we're going to stick to tiled mosaic, and my best suggestion is that the rest of from tiled mosaic down is the way to go. So we're going to stay with tiled mosaic, and we're going to press insert. So now they have been inserted right here. And we're going to add some text right here at the top so we let everybody know what they're actually looking at. So here, when you're putting in text format onto your content input area right here, it gives you, WordPress allows you to give you like separate different font sizes, but you can't really choose the style of the font itself, but you can choose the size of it. So we're going to choose heading 1. And with heading 1, we're going to put City of Insomnia, which is the name of my chapbook. We're going to put City of Insomnia, my first chapbook photos. Full, fun, and festive. And then we're going to highlight it, and we're going to click Align Center. So our text will be right in the middle. So it'll match up with the way that the photos have been set up. Which is really, really important when creating your blog or creating a website. In general, stylistically, the format should all align with each other and not be all over the place, or else it's not going to be really appealing to those trying to read or view your blog. So once that has been done, we're going to preview it. And when we preview it, it's going to pop up here, this little screen that's going to show you 3 different options. So this is what it would look like if somebody were to open my page on their tab. And this is what it would look like if somebody opened my page. I'm sorry. This is what it would look like if somebody opened it on their tablet or an iPad. This is what it would look like on a computer, and this is what it would look like on your phone. So, sorry. Okay. So this is what I look like on your phone. So it's very nice. It looks normal. I have no complaints about it. I'd probably suggest that I would probably want the photos to be centered. I don't believe you can do that on WordPress, but if you find a way, please comment and let me know. So we're going to X out of that, and since I like the way it looks, we're going to click Publish. I'll let my computer load real quick. There we go. Now it's starting to save, and sometimes it'll take a couple seconds. And once the page has actually been published, we can view the page. And it'll take you and redirect you into a new tab that opens up to your actual page. And it shows you all of that. So that's how you create a page. When you're creating a blog post, which we'll do right here, the blog post, this is all the blog posts that I've made already. Let's create a new blog post. So we'll click add. And let's just say we'll do a blog post to say hi. So here's a hello from Yessie, which is my nickname. So what we're going to write here is just a quick update to those who follow me or those who sometimes occasionally view my website. And I will say, hi everyone. I hope everyone is having a happy Friday and getting ready to go out or stay inside, but always to do something fun. And we'll leave it at that for right now for the sake of this video. So that's how we create a post. So you can always add different media into the post. Let's put a picture of me right here. And so here's a picture of me, and we can put it directly into the post, or we can put it as the featured image here, which I showed you how to do for your pages. It's the same concept right here. So once that has been done, you can put like a long text or short text. It doesn't really matter. We can italicize it the same way you would if you were, or bold. The same way, basically, the same concepts up here is the same as you would when you're using Microsoft Word. You can also add a link, maybe if you wanted to like a different page. So say if I wanted to add a link to, oh well, usually I like to end this, hold on, with a Y. So sincerely Y is trying to be stylistic, you know, when having creative writing blog. So say if I wanted to have that be the link to my poetry, if I wanted somebody to casually just click on it, just to click on it. So I can do that, and I can add that link right there. And then when people click on that, they're redirected straight to yeseniat.wordpress.com/poetry. So it's that easy, but we'll take that off. And once that's done, you can upload your first blog post, and you can preview it as we've done with the pages. And it says, here's hello from Yessie. Hi everyone. I hope everyone is having a happy Friday and getting ready to go out or stay inside, but always to do something fun. Sincerely Y, with a picture of me. And we see the different views with the computer, with the tablet, and with the phone. It's still very nice. So we're going to click on the X, and we're going to hit publish. Oh, by the way, just a quick side note, if you want to get seen on your actual website, it's important to add tags. So when you're adding a tag on WordPress, all you have to do is type in any word that is relative to your topic or post. So we're going to put picture, and make sure you put a comma so that WordPress acknowledges that that's the separate word. So then you can put hello, Yesenia. You can put your own name, especially if your name is common, that wouldn't hurt. Welcome, and so on. So then once you're done with that, you click and publish, and then it saves and it goes straight to publishing. And after it's saving, we'll wait a couple seconds, and it now has posted. So we'll view post right here, and that's how it looks. So thank you for coming. Oh, by the way, it will have ads, but in order to remove ads from your website, you would have to upgrade. So don't worry about it. We can dismiss the message. But yes, thank you so much for coming to watch this tutorial. And this is how you just create a simple blog post or page on your website. All right, have a nice day.